Hello guys, welcome back to SRK photoworkz YouTube channel, and I'm back with new very powerful AI tool which edit your pictures more realistic, and trust me, after seeing the results you will only say these two words: mind blowing. So in this video first I will tell you app name, but knowing the app is not a big deal guys, because I know which problem you're gonna face next. But don't worry guys, I have given the solution of that problem in the end, so watch the video till the end. Let's start. First we are going to download the required app. For that, go to the Play Store, just click on search. Also I have given app download link in description. Photoleap app. Now just download and install that app. This app doesn't allow me to record the screen, that's why I have recorded my screen with another mobile. So sorry for the video quality in advance. Okay, so after opening the app, just click on accept and continue. Now you can continue with email, Facebook and Google. I'm continuing with Google. Just select your email ID and it will log in the app automatically. It takes few seconds. Now just click on close. Again click on close. Now just click on edit a photo. Now click on allow. Let me tell you, this app works on nature pics, outdoor pics and on monument pics very perfectly. So choose photo wisely. Click on AI scenes. Now first it will detect your picture and then will start editing your picture automatically in just one click. You can see it takes more than hours to edit picture like this, which AI edit in just one step, in just one click. This app is free, but when we edit more than 2-3 pictures, then this problem comes and we don't know when AI artist will get free. So but no need to worry guys, when SRK is here, you just go to the app information, click on storage usage and just click on clear data and repeat the same process and try again. It works guys, and you know what to do now. Like, share, subscribe.